Yo, all new working codes in Bubblegum. Bubblegum. We're gonna show you every single new working code in Bubblegum Simulator Infinity. There is some new codes and you can actually redeem yourself a bunch of free chests. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're going to show you every single new code in Bubbler. Real Bubbler update. Bubbler, comment down below Bubbler. Comment down below Bubbler if you see this message right now. But let's actually go ahead and redeem all these codes because we have no more time to waste and we have to actually redeem every single code. So it's going to be date 3, okay, date 3, update 3 code. We are actually on update 3 already. I'm not really sure. Wait, are we on update 3? Where can I see the updates? Probably on playtime. Kitsune. How do I get a Kitsune? I have to probably go on eBay. But do not go on eBay, guys, because that's how you finish the game quickly. You can just play and you can also just don't care about eBay, right? But okay, let's see updates. Yeah, right here. Update 3. Minigame updates. Did you already play the minigames? The minigames are actually fun. Okay, update 3 code. Boom, we actually got it. We got some free dice rolls. Okay, let's go to the next code, which is going to be sorry code. Wait, what does it say? Silently, wait, silently, okay, sorry, no way, this is the code. Silently, okay, silently. That is not the code. This is not the code. Silently, sorry. Silently sorry. Okay, this is the code. This is going to be the code. So redeem this code. Like the video, guys. Like the video. Subscribe. Okay, let's redeem this one. Boom! Elixir, golden dice, giant dice, another dice, 3 times dice. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, the next code. The next code is going to be very special. Date 2. It's going to be 8-2. 8-2 chickens. Lava chickens. I mean, it's going to be update 2 for mystery gifts. I believe I already redeemed this code, so let's try it out. I didn't. 5x mystery box. Let me open that. Let me actually open that, because what if I get something cool? Come on. I got some keys. Okay, I got some keys. I got the royal keys. I got the speed potions. Nothing too special. The next code is going to be throwback code. Do redeem every single one of these codes if you do want to get all the bubbler rewards. Already redeemed code. Okay, the next code is going to be Easter. Okay, Easter code for a lucky gift. Already redeemed. The next code, release. Bang, release code. Release, already redeemed. And lucky code. This is the lucky code. If you redeem this code, you're gonna become lucky. I already redeemed it, so that's why I'm lucky. I'm always lucky. Bang, already redeemed code. Okay, I didn't actually play the game for the previous update, but I did see a bunch of minigames. Where are the minigames at? Where are the minigames? I don't know. I will find out. Okay, I will find out. Comment down below the secret word that I told you. Comment down below the secret word that I told you if you would like to have yourself VIP. If you want VIP, comment the secret word.